Hi students, this is session 26. So under creative strategy and advertising budget, uh, today topic is advertising copywriter. So let me recap the previous class. In the previous class, we discussed various types of advertisement copy. So what is the objective of this chapter is that this objective of this chapter is to provide an understanding of creative strategy and advertising budget. What are the session outcomes is that the students will be able to explain the role of advertising copywriter. Next, advertising copywriter, the person who writes. What is the meaning of advertising copywriter? The person who writes selling lines for advertisement is called copywriter. The person who writes selling lines for the advertisement is called copywriter. The work done by copywriter is called as a copywriting. A copywriter writes pictures and paints words to sell the product, sell a product. The advertising copies make use of different forms of expressions depending on the type of media. So these are all concepts of advertising copywriter. So next one is the role of copywriter. Creates an artistic mix using words, phrases, pictures, sounds, etc. So second role of copywriter is emphasizes a verbal cue with the visual cue. Third one is organizing words using idea objectives. Fourth one is generates a dramatization of ideas. Next one provides bright insights. Next one is study the product from different angles. Next one is position the product in a various setting. Next one is stimulate people to purchase the product and be clear and ambiguous. So these are the various role of copywriters. So let you understand what are the essential skills required for the copywriter. So first one is language is the most important skill for the copywriter, and they need to process rich vocabulary because they have to write so many other concepts relating to that. Then paint picture with words. Copying with playing with the words is an important attribute of the good copywriter, just like a newspaper news editor. Craft interesting punchlines, catchy messages, conceptualize ideas, visualize ideas, creative, humorous, and interesting lines, and develop the storylines. So these all are various skills which are required for the cooperators, so that in order to provide effective and creative advertisement lines. So let me discuss what are the multiple choice questions which are available for that. The first one is informational are designed to solicit a direct response, which is dash and are therefore a form of direct marketing. Option A is specific and experimental. Option B is persuasive. Option C is advertising. Option D is marketing ethics. So answer is A. Second one is sponsorship belongs to the promotional tool to dash business marketing management, advertising. So answer is B. Third question is a corporate unit may provide equipment for a famous sports persons or sports team in exchange for advertising, brand management, product placement. So the answer is B. Next, copywriting is the act of writing copy for the purpose of selling or marketing or dash business or idea. So price, product, material, concepts. Answer is product. Fifth one is series of messages that divides a single idea and them which make up an integral marketing communication is known as advertising research, advertising campaign, or product placements. Answer is advertising campaign. So these are the various reference books which are available, Basha, Patra, and Kazmi, so that you can refer those books for the further knowledge. Thank you very much for your patience listening. Let me meet in the next session.